Are you struggling to study effectively for extended periods? In this insightful video, we'll share practical tips and proven strategies to help you stay focused. Studying for long hours can be challenging, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can make it more manageable and productive. Here are some tips to help you study effectively for long periods. Create a study schedule. Plan your study sessions in advance and allocate specific time blocks for each subject or topic. Having a schedule will keep you organized and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. This can help maintain your focus and prevent burnout. Find the right environment. Choose a quiet and comfortable study environment with minimal distractions. A well-lit, clean, and organized space can enhance your concentration and productivity. Stay hydrated and eat well. Keep a bottle of water nearby and have healthy snacks available to nourish your body and mind during study breaks. Avoid excessive caffeine or sugary drinks that can cause energy crashes later. Exercise and move. Regular physical activity can help improve your focus and concentration. Take short breaks to stretch, walk around, or do some light exercise to refresh your mind. Use active learning techniques. Instead of passively reading or listening, engage with the material actively. Take notes, create flashcards, teach the concepts to yourself or others, and practice problem solving. Switch subjects/topics. If you find yourself losing focus on a particular subject, switch to another one for a while. This change can keep your mind engaged and prevent study fatigue. Take power naps. If you feel exhausted during your study session, a short power nap, 10 to 20 minutes, can help you recharge and regain focus. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one subject or task at a time. Multitasking can reduce efficiency and lead to mental fatigue. Stay motivated. Remind yourself of your goals and the importance of your studies. Visualize your success and the rewards that come with achieving your objectives. Get enough sleep. Prioritize getting sufficient rest at night. A well-rested mind is more alert and capable of retaining information. Review and revise regularly. Regularly review and revise the material you've learned. This helps with long-term retention and reduces the need for marathon study sessions before exams. Seek support. If you're struggling with specific subjects or topics, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, classmates, or online resources. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness techniques into your breaks to reduce stress and stay focused during study sessions. Remember, studying for long hours without breaks can be counterproductive and lead to burnout. Finding a balance between study and rest is crucial for maintaining productivity and overall well-being. Listen to your body and mind, and adjust your study routine accordingly. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.